Okay, we listen to men to
Could
tell
you
us.
please zoom in?
Pardon?
Could you please zoom in?
No, just press.
No,
No, just put here. No?
no.
Look at you. You can use this one
Yeah. Okay. Wait.
and wait. If you do it, just wait. Okay, let's listen to her as she tell us about her topic.
Morning, my professor and my. No,
Continue now. Do you have this?
no. It's just okay. No. Can I?
Okay.
Morning, my professor and my colleagues. Everyone. Today, I would like to present about mastering active reading and specifically technique for better retention. This is my personal info. This is a parrot from Study Skill in Chat by Dr. Emmanuel. And this is the content that I present today. Firstly, abstract and quick overview, and introduction with active reading, and active reading importance, and then active reading types, and benefits of reading, and techniques for better retention for you, and how to improve your reading skill, and conclusion, and the source that I figure out, and question and answer session. And these are the overview of my presentation. Like reading is not only your eye over the text, it's concerning about your critical thinking, your retention, and your comprehension, like concerning with the related topic. So, and also we can follow by the master technique for reading, like skimming, scanning, and text reading, and analytical reading. That also improve your study academic way, and then in your professional group. With active reading. Like active reading is not only about reading a paragraph or reading a book, novel, or the newspaper. It also after you read and you have to come up with a question and you have to summarize in your own words and have connect. So you have to make connection about your reading, what you read. And it also improves your information effectively. You can absorb information effectively, even if it's complex text, and you can use in your professional setting. So after reading, reading is important. Reading is important it's crucial in our life. It also enhance your understanding, like I said before. It improves your retention. It also help you engage with the material more effectively. So benefits of reading. Reading is the best way to gain more knowledge from outside. Yeah. And reading also improve our memory and our focus. And it's also good for students to enhance our creativity skill and also stimulate our brain and our mind. It also improve our writing skill. If you want to create writing, lively writing, so you have to read more and you have to read a lot. So this is the types of reading. The first way I like to mention is skimming, quick overview of text. So when you read a book, so you don't need to read every single word. You just read titles and subtitles that you're interested, and that is a quick overview. You can easily get information what you want. This is the scanning, finding specific information. For example, like if you are at the airport, so when you arrive at the airport, you just look at the flight chat. In the flight chat, you just find your flight, what's gonna be next, and what's your gate, what's your boarding pass. So when your boarding pass open, so like that. So you just find specific information. You don't need to look for the entire chat. So this is involved like move your eye quickly over the text without reading every single word. And the another type is deep reading. It's also engage with the text to fully understand, and you can absorb, reflect on its meaning. So when you read about a psychological book or spiritual book, so after you reading, so that reflect on your life or on your daily life. So what can you absorb like that? You can analyze them. So the text is the analytical reading. It's a critical examining the text, focusing on its structure, and also have to include the argument, logic, and also we have to input the evidence. So if you like to buy a skincare product, like before deciding to buy whether to buy it, so you have to analyzing the review or should I buy or not. So you have to firstly analyze, and you have to come up with a question for that. And intensive reading is also understanding detail, vocabulary, and also grammar. It's all we have to pay fully attention and the comprehension. So when studying, so we have to pay full attention on the passage, on paragraph to get a full idea. And that's finally intensive reading type. This type is for just reading for general knowledge. We don't need to focus on detail every single word. We just like for example, if you read a travel blog, it's a after that you got an idea from that blog for your next trick. Like that, it's a general reading. Strategy. These are the strategy to improve your retention while reading. Visualize. Yeah, you have to visualize, draw a picture or image what you visualize in your mind after you reading. So this is a one useful way when reading. And second is clarify and stop. Clarify, stop, and pay attention. So when you read a book, you have to subdivide three parts. I have to finish within 1 week. So you have to first part read and stop, and then go ahead. So yeah, clarify and stop and pay attention. Whether you understand the text, yeah, this is a better way. And also you have to summarize in your own words and explain what you read with a partner. It's a one kind of way. And then predict. Yeah, predict is really important, not only in reading, whatever you see. Like after you reading, you have to figure out what's happened next, what's going on next. So it consists with your prediction. So you can memorize everything in your entire life. So it's like, and the third one is connection. Yeah, connect personally with what you're reading and make connection stuff. I think this is I use